Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the wireless battery operated USB rechargeable under cabinet light. That was an awesome thing. Three options are available with these settings. You can switch to off, you can switch to on, permanently on, and you can switch to geister. That's awesome. I think this is one of the best light in my kitchen so far. Fun when using the LED cabinet lighting with motion sensor. And the fun is because of the motion sensor. And I like it because of the motion sensor. We have to simply move our hand on the sensitive IR sensor and the LED cabinet light lights up. It is so simple and fun. The LED strip battery is great because they are non-contact. The outer shell of the LED hand wave's activated sensor light is made of aluminium alloy with good texture. When installed under the cabinet, it is almost invisible and the light effect is very good. And not only under the cabinet. I tried it in the living room too, in the bedroom too, or under another furniture for indirect lightning. That's awesome. There are so many possibilities which you can use that cabinet light. And let's go back to the three modes. The rechargeable LED strip battery is equipped with a sensitive sensor, which is specially developed for the response to our hand waves. This LED cabinet light has remotes on, off, and automatic. If we are busy cooking in the kitchen, we can turn the LED cabinet light on and off with a hand wave. If we change the light mode to car, this LED will hand safe activate sensor. The light turns off automatically after 90 seconds. A larger battery capacity and rechargeable USB device. For those who do not have fixed wire holder available, these LED cabinet lights with motion sensors a nice option. The built-in battery has 1500 mAh. In motion sensor mode, the wireless LED strip can easily last for 2 months. The LED hand wave activated sensor light for the bedroom can be charged by most devices that support USB. For example, AC adapter of your smartphone or your computer or power bank. That's possible because universal serial bus. And we have easy installation with 2 methods with the built-in magnets on the back. And they are so great because if you have some furniture plates which contains metal, you can dock this light over there easily and instant. That's awesome. I think it's really awesome with built-in magnets on the back. This LED strip closed light can be glued to any ironwork, so that we can change the position where we need it. Or we can use the supplied adhesive tape to attach the iron to a non-ferrous product surface. This means that it can be easily removed and reattached when the LED cabinet light with motion sensor needs to be charged. Easily. And it's super bright and wide application. With the help of a longer length, we can be sure that these are useful for lighting the entire length of the cabinet. They are also made of 70 LEDs. The wide output light is 170 lumens, so it will easily illuminate the entire cabinet. Ideal choice for motion detectors, cabinet lighting, cabinet light, under unit light, kitchen cabinet lights, LED cabinet lights, etc., etc., etc. There are so many possibilities where you can use these lights, and I like it really much. We do often suffer from this situation. The cabinets are a bit too dark. Does our cabinet have no fixed wiring? Oh yeah. Do we want to bring some brightness to the hallways without using tools or complicated installations? Perhaps it's time to get a few LED hand wave activated sensor light for all the dark places in our life. Best for our busy work in the kitchen are the LED cabinet lights with motion sensor. The sensitive IR sensor of our LED strip rechargeable battery turns on or off with a simple wave. Ideal for busy days in the kitchen. It is really ultra slim. The outer shell of the lamp is made of aluminium alloy, which is really good, with good texture and a thickness of only 1.25 centimeters. When installed under the cabinet, it is almost invisible, and the light effect is very good. And the built-in battery has a capacity of 1500 mAh, which can be easily recharged. In motion sensor mode, it will goes up to 2 months, which is a great advantage. Of course, if you are switch this light every day 6 hours on, it will not get 2 months, okay? And we can direct attachment to any iron surface. We hold anywhere with a adhesive magnetic strip, or we use the label option, and we can light up our cabinet with these lights easily. From morning to evening, this motion sensor lights will brighten up any closet in our home. And the wireless cabinet lights to illuminate our porcelain or Fanta lid of our Tupperware with 170 lumen output. They are perfect for our kitchen lighting. We will never regret owning that. And this right lighting in our bathroom can give us a beautiful decoration space and become one of the most important elements of creating the right mood. That's right, dude. This is the wireless battery operated USB rechargeable under cabinet light. That's really cool. That's really cool. We have 1500 milliampere hours. Of course, on the market, I think there are another option. You can buy it with 2200 milliampere hours, with 3000 milliampere hours, wow, with 300 and 900. This here is 1500 device. The working current is 750 milliampere. The standby current is 100 nanoampere or microampere. The power 3 watt luminous flux is 170 lumen. The visible fibers is 80, more than 80, and the bead color is white, warm white. The induction distance is plus minus 5 centimeters. The operation temperature is minus 20 degrees up to 50. The weight is only 194 grams. And the induction mode is hand sweep induction. The product uses the block of reflection of the detected object to the beam of light and select the energized rod by the synchronous loop to detect the presence of observers of the object. Objects are not limited to metals. All objects that reflect light can be detected. The photoelectric switch converts the input current on the transmitter into an optical signal, and the receiver then detects the target object according to the strength of observers of the received light. This controlling the turn on and off of the LED lights. Really nice and beautiful. These are the really awesome Eincar wireless battery operated USB rechargeable under cabinet light. And you do not need it for your cabinet only. Use it in the entire living room, kitchen, bathroom, or where you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.